Now, today we'll be talking about Walmart analyzing statement of cash flow. Walmart's source of cash. The cash flow statement provides information about company of Walmart, cash receipts and cash payment during the accounting period, showing how these cash flows link with ending cash balance to the beginning balance shown on the company statement of financial position. Walmart's major source of uses three sections: cash flows from operating activity, cash flows from investing activity, and cash flows from financing activities. Cash provided by operating activities. Amount of cash inflow outflow from operating activities, excluding discontinuing operations. Operating activity flows include transaction adjustments and changes in value not defined as investing or financing activity. Walmart cash provided by operating activities declined from 2017 to 2018 and from 2018 to 2019. Cash used in investing activities. Amount of cash flown in and out of investing activity, excluding discontinued operation. Investing activities cash flows include making and collecting loans and acquiring and disposing of debt and equity, instruct, instruments and properties, plants and equipment, and other productive assets. Walmart cash used in investment activity increased from 2017 to 2018, but then declined significantly from 2018 to 2019. Cash used in financial activity. Amount of cash inflow for financial activity exclude discontinuing operations. Financial activity cash flows include obtaining resources from owners and providing them with a return on or a return off their investment, borrowing money and repaying the amount borrowed, or settling an obligation and obtaining paying for other resources obtained from creditors and long-term credit. Walmart financing activities declined from 2017, but then in 2000 to 2019 increased, exceeding 2017 levels. The difference between net income and cash provided by use by operative activity. Expensive, accrual, expensive or increase Expenses are included in the calculation of net income from which no cash payments may have yet been made. Prepaid expensive cash payment for costs incurred may be recorded as assets instead of expense since they have not yet been consumed. Deferred revenues. Revenues are excluded from the calculation of net income because they have not yet been earned, even though the related cash may have already been received. Cash or credit. Sales on credit. Revenues are included in the calculation of net income because they have been earned, even though the relative cash receipts may not yet have been received. Summary of Walmart financial strength. Walmart will continue to be successful. Their cash flow operating activities have increased over the past 3 years. The company has excelled in the areas of net income, cash flow, operating activity, which the two specific ones were depreciation and net income adjustments. Changes in operating activities. Those two were liabilities and net cash flow operating. That's where they had their strength in. Walmart weak Wal Summary of Walmart's weakness. Walmart needed to work on the following areas. Needs to work. Walmart needs to work on the following areas. Changes in operating activity. Well, specifics, accounting receivable, and changes in inventory. They were negative. They were in the red. Cash flow investing uh, activities, specific capital expenditures, investments, other investment activities, and net cash flow investing. Cash flow financing activities, specifics, sales and purchase of stocks, net borrowing, other financing activities, net cash flows, financing effect of exchange rate, and new cash flow. I have no doubt that Walmart will make the proper adjustment and come out victorious. Walmart's weakness is reflected from the investments in it has made. However, as the stock market improves, the company investment will also improve. That's the end of my presentation.